Hey Justin, I got the VisualTFT screen stuff set up exactly like how you had it, or how it was with the old screen. Basically, I printed out every screen, and then I made sure that everything in VisualTFT land matches that. So starting with right here, like splash screen 00, that's form 00. Form 0, 1, 2, 3, blah blah blah. Looking at all this, for example here, this tells you that that the screen is it goes by this list. So this is 0x00, 0x01. So that's screen ID 0x01. And then if you look at here, you have all these numbers. These are the control IDs. So for example, the control ID of this text screen right here is text display is 21. Or here it's 1. And the buttons I have set, so they do the virtual keys, although you said that didn't really matter. Another thing to see is that, let's see here, like here the buttons, you wanted the buttons to actually correlate to what they are, like the virtual key. So here I clicked on button 7, which happens to have the control ID of 7, but then its virtual character that it sends is 7. And right here, like the delete key, it sends a virtual key, but it's a backspace. These all go in order. So like we're still making the GIFs for the videos, but in its place I just have a SpongeBob GIF, and here it is on the screen. I like SpongeBob. He's funny. So the question for you is, if I go to menu configuration, you know, all these forms and all these elements all still exist. The only thing that changes is this number right here, the control ID. So do you want me to make all these buttons just control ID buttons? Or what their control ID is? Or do you want to know what their virtual character that it sends is? The other question is going to a form that has a keyboard. We have buttons, so like, let's see, this is form 4. So if I go into VisualTFT, we go to form 04. So here we have, you know, the same stuff, but the keyboard is now a bunch of independent buttons. Here you just have keyboard 00. So the question is, how do you want those individual buttons? Are you just going to look at what its virtual car is, or do you want the control ID? Let me know how you want this set up, and I'll have that menu configuration done immediately. Other than that, you can easily open this up yourself too, and see what it is if you want to look at things or anything like that. And if you want something changed, just tell me. Thanks.